Hello and welcome to today's pantry soap making. I'm Sarah from Soap School and today we're going to be making prune soap. Pureed the prunes down, and it's incredibly important that you do puree them very well. But we're going to add the pureed prunes into our warm oils and we're going to mix that before we do anything else. And we're going to give this just a small blitz using a stick blender. So all we've done so far is to add the pureed prunes into our warmed oils, and we're just going to give them a quick blitzing. And next we're going to add in the lye solution. So this is just your water and your sodium hydroxide. That's going to go into those warmed oils with the puree. Give that a good mixing. Now, I have never soaped before using prunes. I'd love to know if it's something that you have tried before. Do comment and let me know if it's something you've used and whether you liked it or not. I can't wait to see how this one comes out, and also look at the colour that it gives to the soap. Can you see how that's changed in colour? That will almost certainly be the sugars that are naturally within the prunes. And that's getting almost to trace now. We're going to be pouring this soon, but I do want to take it a little bit thicker. I don't want it really runny. And that's lovely. You know, the funny thing was, when I was a child, we always thought about prunes as being something that helped you go to the toilet. And here we are today making a delicious soap. I can't wait to see how this one comes out. It's such a beautiful colour. And I know it's going to go lighter, but I can't wait to see how it comes out. And it's got really small little flecks from the puree. I'll try and get a close-up for you and share that with you. This is going to go under the blankets for 24 hours now, and then I'll come back and cut it and show you how it turned out. Now, if you have enjoyed today's show, please go and click the subscribe button. And if you'd like to see more of our shows, just click on the bell and you'll get notified every time that we produce a new video for you. We'd love to hear from you, so do pop something into the comments, and we hope to see you really soon. Bye-bye for now.